shirt. Alright, the first one that I am... These are a lot of words that I don't know. All late. Oh, you know what I need to do that I haven't done? Oh my lands. Hey, hello, welcome to America. Hello, welcome back to Maedae in the Kitchen. I'm Maedae, and today we are going to try breakfast around the world. I have two breakfasts coming to you guys right now. The first one is from Tunisia, and the second one is from China. So if you guys want to take a look and see how these breakfasts turn out, and if you're interested in trying these breakfasts from around the world, then let's get cooking. Like this video, don't forget to like it down below, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I post behind the scenes, what am I doing with my life. Some days I'm doing nothing, but other days I'm doing a lot, and you guys should go check it out. The link is down in the description. Thank you very much. The first breakfast that we are going to try today is shakshuka from Tunisia. I've seen this a lot and I'm really excited. It is an egg tomato dish and it's completely vegetarian, so if you guys are vegetarian, this is a great option for you. The first thing that we are going to do is fry my onions and get that tomato sauce going along with it. One entire yellow onion is going to go in this. I'm going to put it at medium-high heat. It has been a long time since I have cooked in my cast iron skillet. Honestly, it scares me, not cooking in it, but cleaning it. Cleaning it is very tough and it gets rust really easily. So I've been avoiding it a lot, but it does say to cook it in a cast iron pan. So I'm going to do it. Hopefully, cleaning it, I can just be okay with it, but it's really hard to clean it. Not really hard, but this is just onion and it smells so good. Alright, my onions are getting translucent, so now it is time to add my can of diced tomatoes and all my other stuff. It didn't specify how big of a can of tomatoes, so I just got the 28 ounce. I guess we'll find out if it's too much or not enough. I'm going to add 1 cup of purified water. I'm adding 1/4 of salt. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Get off. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon of cumin. And 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm going to mix it up. I need to wait for it to come to a boil, and then I'll turn it down low and let it simmer for a bit. And while that's happening, I'm going to make the sauce. It is the shakshuka sauce. Sorry about the pronunciation. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna go make that, so let's go over this way. The first thing I need is a small bunch of mint. My coworker and her husband are gardening right now, and they had some mint, and she gave me some, and I was like, perfect, I need it for this recipe. So I just need a small bunch. I'm gonna rinse it off because it looks... Ooh, that was a caterpillar in it. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to rinse it off real good, real good. And then I needed some parsley. I'm just going to take a small bunch, put it in there. And I need some cilantro, already washed. small bunch in there. I need half a tablespoon of chili flakes and half a tablespoon of cumin, a pinch of salt, pinch. Uh-oh. Goes this way. I'm going to pulse it until it's kind of chunky, and then I'm going to gradually add my oil. I think I'm going to scrape down the sides of it because a lot of it went up on the sides. I want it to be like a pesto consistency, but I don't think there's enough oil, so I'm going to add more. I think it's fine. I don't know what else to do with it. Duh, the last thing, wow, I think my camera is very much crooked. The last thing I can do with it is actually try it, so that would be a good idea. I will do so right now. More salt? Try one more time. Tastes better. Okay, cool. Sauce is done. Alright, the last thing that I need to do is crack 4 eggs inside of this pan. It has been simmering. The sauce has gotten thicker, so we're going to crack my eggs. And I'm going to cover it and let it keep on cooking. It is done. I am ready to take some pictures and eat it. Oh wait, it's not completely done. I need to remove the lid. I need to drizzle on my sauce. Drizzle? This is not the consistency of drizzling. Now I'm going to plate it and try it. Get an egg. Get my tomatoes. Looks pretty good. Oh, pictures! Duh! Oh my lands. I'm gonna try it now. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's see. Will it have that gushy yolk? No. Which means I probably cooked it a little too long. I mean, it's still a little gushy, but it's okay. It's fine. I'm gonna still eat it. Mmm. This is a really simple dish, and it's really good too. It's just like, it's what I said at the beginning, an egg and tomato dish. It's very good. The sauce, the green chow sauce. Can't really tell. I mean, I can and I can't. It's a fine sauce. I don't. It adds a little bit to it, for sure. Like some more freshness, some herby flavors. Obviously, I mean, it is herbs and stuff. So, yes, I love it. It is very quick. It took me 30 minutes tops, and you guys can make it too. I hope you guys try out shakshuka from Tunisia. On to the next breakfast. Hello, it is a completely different day. I think it's like 2 weeks past what you guys just saw. Things have been crazy, but I'm here to finish the video. Today we are stepping into China, and we are going to make the breakfast congee. This dish is super simple. All we have to do is rinse the rice off, boil, and then simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, and we're done basically. and you put a poached egg on it, you put some herbs on it, you put whatever toppings you really want on it, and that's it. So I'm going to start it right now. Yeah. Okay, so the first item that I need is 1 cup of rice. I chose jasmine rice. Any white rice is fine, just not brown rice, because brown rice does cook differently, so it may take you longer. But I just need 1 cup of this. And I'm going to rinse it till the water's running almost clear. I'm getting a very, very big pot, only because I don't have like an in-between size. Also, I need 6 cups of chicken stock, which is a lot, and I think it would overflow in my other pots because they're too small. Alright, 6 of these now. I hope I have enough. 6! I had enough. Okay, I'm gonna add my white rice to my stock. And we're done. No. I'm gonna put it on my stove at high heat because I need it to come to a boil. And then I'm gonna simmer it after that for 45 minutes to 60 minutes. And I'm gonna stir in between occasionally. So you guys will see me when it's all done. Alright, it is done, and the only thing I need to do is put it in a bowl and put my toppings on it. So it comes out like a porridge type consistency, if you guys can kind of see that. So for my toppings, I have green onion, cilantro, some kimchi, some soy sauce, very empty bottle of soy sauce. I was gonna do a poached egg, but I don't got any eggs. And I didn't want to go to the store. And that's fine because it's not even breakfast time right now. But we're having breakfast for dinner, so it's okay. But you could normally put a poached egg on it and any of these toppings with it. I'm going to put some kimchi. Sounds amazing with it. I'm going to add some soy sauce. Some green onion. My green onion's not very green. That's okay. I've got some green cilantro to go on top. And then some salt and pepper. Pepper. And some salt. Delicious. Oh, it looks so good. I am ready to try my congee, my breakfast from China. I think I should maybe mix it up a bit and get some kimchi in there. That bite had a lot of salt in it. I kind of went overboard on the salt. But it's okay. I'm just mix it up some more. It's good. I'm not going to say it's like off the charts amazing. Maybe an egg could have helped that. But this is an easy dish to make. Honestly, I feel like when I have kids or something, you just put the pot of rice on and you just let it go and you're off doing your thing. I mean, even now you could do that, to be honest. It's a very easy, quick, not quick, took an hour to cook. Took an hour to cook. But it is very easy and it comes out delicious. I have no complaints besides my own fault of not having eggs. Yeah, it's an all-around good dish, and I hope that you guys have the time to make it and enjoy it yourselves. So that wraps up this first episode of Breakfast Around the World. We got to visit Tunisia and China today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you guys can get reminded when the next Breakfast Around the World comes out and all my other videos that come out on Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!